Hey guys, good morning! So for today's video, magbablog tayo because today is Jungkook's birthday! Yan! So sa hindi nakakaalam, I'm a BTS fan, ARMY mom, and then I started fangirling about BTS since pandemic 2020, Dynamic era. So birthday ngayon ni JK, Jungkookie, our bunny. Yan. So kakalabas ko lang ng banyo and ako ay magbibihis na. Get ready with me guys. Hindi lang ako ma-make up sa self ko. Simple lang, lipstick, ganun. And then suklay-suklay konti. And then we're going to church. And mag-wear ako something or accessories na may kinalaman kay Jungkookie. So, tara, let's go! So, yes guys, I'm almost done with my outfit. I just wear this purple violet na shirt paired with pants there. And then, of course, for JK, I will wear this para siyang purple lilac, I don't know what's the color of this, na bigay sa akin ng ka-exchange gift ko last Christmas. And also I will be putting this JK logo sa album, Jake na logo sa album niya for my bag. That's one. Yeah. And then what else? I also got Jungkook socks. Oh, ayan, no? So, yeah. Hindi naman makikita kasi nasa loob ng shoes. So, yeah. Ano pa ba? Let me see. And also, I got this permission to dance pouch na freebie sa isang cup sleep event. Ayan. So, mga abubot wipes. I got this compact mirror, my Mentos, and my eyeglasses na wipes. And then, I have this gamit-gamit ko na lalagyan ng BT21 bottle, pero ibang alcohol na nasa loob. And then, of course, ang suklay ko is talagang hinanap ko tong purple kasi sira na yung old ko nito. Yeah. All about BTS. Purple Borahe. So, ayan. Mag-ayos na tayo ng suklay. Simple lang naman ako na babae ever since. Charot. Charot. Hindi naman ako mahilig mag-makeup ng ganon kasi nangangati ang face ko sa mga blush on, yun dito sa eyes. Kaya ang nilalagay ko lang is lipstick. So guys, itong lipstick ko guys is yung sikat sa TikTok na O2 yan, shade M11. Yan siya, M11. Yan na naman ako. Actually guys, pwede mo to gamitin as eyeshadow and blush on. Kaso lang, hindi lang ako maglagay kasi nga na nangangati ang aking face. Yan, medyo may allergy ako sa face. So, yan. So, dito ko yan nilalagay sa akin. Ayan, yung JK na keychain. Nilagay ko yung alcohol dito sa pouch. And yung supply ko, purple, here. So, ready to go down ako. See you downstairs. So, hello. Nasa baba na ako and we're ready to leave na for church. And my casing is BTS as usual. And this is my outfit. Ganyan lang. Then mag-shoes ako later pagdating ng church. Kasi ayaw ko mag-drive na naka-shoes. See you in church, guys! So, hello guys. Tapos na ang praise and worship namin. Dito na kami na lunch. Rosh Kodesh namin. First Sunday of the month. So, umulan pala kanina. It was raining outside hard. Kaya pala mainit kanina. Yeah. So, tapos naman lahat. Nagsiuwian ng lahat. Uuwi na rin kami. See you later. Bye! Hey guys! So, we just got home from church. I was planning to go sa isang capsule event doon sa malapitan dito with my BTS friend Jinky. Kaso para alanganin sa panahon, it's been raining kanina this morning, and then parang tinatamad ang lahat lumabas. I mean, for me, hindi naman tinatamad, medyo may gagawin lang sana ako important ngayon. So, unahin ko muna to bago doon. Pero hopefully, tomorrow, if ever makadaan ako doon, why not, diba? So, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye! Happy birthday, JK!